Hey everyone, today I'm in my formal living room and I'm doing a little change up. I'm not rearranging the furniture or redecorating or even putting new furniture in here. I'm going to be tackling this fireplace today. Now, I've always wanted to do something with this fireplace. I love the stone and everything in the mantle, but these bump out pieces on each side of the stone, they need something. Here it is. I painted it. I've always wanted to do this. I've never done it, and even my husband was saying, let's kind of like make this look a little bit nicer in here, and I think it does. I think it gives it a pop of color that it kind of needed over on this wall without doing the whole wall dark. And this dark brown goes great with the brown that are in my chairs and ottoman here. I just think it all ties it in together. Definitely much better looking. Now, let me know what you think. Do you like this dark brown better? Because you know what, I can't change it back. I don't have this paint color on the walls. It was already here, so I'm kind of stuck with the brown or doing something different. I did do a lighter brown first, and I didn't like it, so I covered it up with this. This is a Behr paint, and it's called Moose Trail. And I had it in our basement on a couple of areas down there, and I really love this dark brown. I think it looks great. And I'm also going to be doing some decorating in here. I took down that fall that I did a little bit on the mantle and put it back to normal, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do some fall. I actually brought some bins up because I'm going to be doing some fall in the master bedroom. So I think I'm going to maybe bring the rest of the bins up. Okay, so let's see the before picture one more time here. Okay, here it is. It's okay and everything. Like I said, it just needs something, I think, on each side of the rocks there, the stone. I think this looks so much better like this. We got a few new pieces of furniture for the master bedroom and some new bedding. And I'm thinking about doing a little bit of fall decorating in the master bedroom. So let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see any of that, because I do have to do that decorating at night. It's better for the video because of the glare that you get in the windows. All right, that's going to do it for the video. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.